Good morning. Welcome to MBA Option Trader. This is Shiva. Day 13 of 2.5 hours of 60 lakh challenge. Date 7/9/2025. Okay, you can see market open. Market open slight flat. We're expecting a fall and take support from the black zone. The black zone reason yesterday it completed consolidation in 3 index. It might be take support from the previous consolidation and expecting a bullish. Let's wait for candle close. Once we get a confirmation, we are enter on the particular index. You can see it's trying to bullish, but we need a confirmation. Once we get a confirmation, we're gonna enter. Okay, you can see it's trying to take the black zone, but it won't be take support. Okay, again it taking support. Once it will support, we're gonna enter on Nifty. Okay, let's time to enter. We'll take a small risk. Let's enter. This is our first trade. Let me take a enter. You can see it's not a perfect, I know, but let me take a small risk. Okay, you can clearly see the upside going to be our target. Down we gonna exit. Let's wait for it. You can see the trade order started. Okay, we are in a property. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, I think it's not going to be consolidated exit. Let exit because you can see there might be take some support. Then you're gonna expect a bullish. That's why I exited. Let's wait for once we get confirmation, we're gonna again enter. Okay, this is one of our order books. These are the offers. Okay, this is one of the second. As we mentioned in a previous step. Once you get a confirmation, we want to enter on the particular once again. This time I enter with. Okay, you can see try to take support. Okay, let's wait for it. You can see clearly see it showing the bullish support because the previous consolidation. Okay, let me wait for more confirmation. Always market try to take consolidation. Then the once the consolidation created, try to enter. Once the consolidation completed, it take once a rally. Same expecting today also. Okay, I can see there might be. Okay, I'm exiting. Exit reason. You can see the spot chart try to bullish, but the options are falling. That's why the new sellers are coming. That's why I exited. If deposit just exits, if you understand this going to be, you can see it's completely falling. So we are exiting curtain. And these are the artworks. And here is the positions we made of 3,000. Okay, you can see. And bank free the market open, they try to fall. So I'm expecting a bearish trade on bank Nifty. Okay, let me enter. Let me take small risk. Okay, I'm entering on bank Nifty. Shall I enter? Can you see? He tried to break the 200 per hour. Once it broke the 200 per hour, highly confirmed it's going to be highly bearish trade. But until it's gonna break 200 and 400 EMF, we're gonna wait. This is going to be our stop loss. Okay, you can see trade got started. Okay, let's wait for candles. It might be the support. I'm not sure about the particular trade, but I won't take a small risk. That's why I entered the particular trade. Okay, try to break the 200. Okay, once you broke the 400 high come up, let me exit. Okay, let me exit. Okay, try to make support. Okay, let me wait for the candles or okay. Yeah, you can see exit. Reason very clear. Try to take support from 200. If they take support, highly confirmed for the bullish. That's why I exited. Okay, you can see the order books. I am well focused. Okay, you can see I'll entering on Nifty on bullish side. The reason, as I said previously, I'm looking for the bullish trend and you can see it taking support. That's why I entered on Nifty. Okay, I can clearly see started trading. Okay, our trade has started. Below this one of S and SL. Okay, I'm placing SL. Always try to place SL. Don't forget. can say in try to fall. That's why I'm updating my SL. Just give me a second. Shallow here. I saw that triggered already. That's why I'm planning to exit on market. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it. Once it is a give confirmation, I will hold or I'll exit. Okay, I'm planning to place on S1 here. No way. Let me place our. I'm rating my SL. And I can clearly say it has to be bullish from here only. In case it fall, it'll hell confirm is going to be it dropped it. That's why I'm rating my SL. Okay, you can clearly see our trade yesterday trying to bullish. Okay, that's why I'm updating my SN to trial, sir. In case if the market get rewards, we're not going to lose everything. The one thing I always remember it, and I always try to explain anyone, if you come to market, remember one thing: don't leave profits on table. If it possible, just cut your losses. You can see we already cut 3 losses. So our trial is get here. It's okay. It happened. Just wait for the perfect entry and hold until it hit your targets. Don't home exit. You can see I never exit on profits. I only exit on SLs only. And these are the order books. And these are the positions. Okay, after exiting the particular trail, I decide I want to enter a final trade. Let me show you why I want to enter. You can see in Nifty trying to expect a bullish set. That's why I'm waiting for the perfect entry from the starting of the day. Okay, let me wait for the confirmation. Once we give any confirmation, I'll want to enter. I want to place the SL below the candle. Okay, you can see it high chance is gonna be take support from here. You can see the downside 204 and also taking support. Okay, once you get confirmation, we want to enter. If you can see it's taking support, and then I wait for it. Once it gets confirmation, I'll go enter. Maybe in center. I know I should wait for the candles, but it's okay. I'm so confident with this trade. If we wanna be lose, only we gonna lose very small, so and we wanna hit our target, we gonna achieve a long target. Okay, chalo. This is one of our positions. Now you can see these are our orders. Okay, let's wait for it. Updating my SL once again. Reason it tried to fall, that's why I exited. Reason it might be take one more resistance. That's why I exited. It might be take pullback, but I don't want to carry the position. That's why I exited. These are the other rows. And here we go. These are the positions. Okay. After exiting trade, I can see there is a bearishness in markets. So comparing 3 index in Bank Nifty are more bearish. That's why I'm planning to enter on Bank Nifty. Let's enter. Very clear. Last time we entered, but it takes support from 200 EMI. Now it's try to break. Once it breaks, it highly confirm it's going to be bearish. That's why I enter. Here the candle we're gonna exit, and we are placing a very smallest. So it's a one second taking support. That's why I exited. But it's very clear. The previous thing I said, it might be take support. That's why. These are the order books. And okay, after exiting trade, I'll waiting for the perfect moment. It highly confirm. We honor multiple SLs are it there. It's showing the marker trying to consolidate and try to bullish also. That's why I sold the put option. we can see I'm expecting bullishness. That's why I sold, and we can see the support in market, and I'm placing one more sell a bullish candle. This is very clear. I'm expecting a bullishness, but it might be take some consolidation and pullback. So we already lose 3 or 4 trades from the money. So that's why I don't want to take more risk. That's why I'm selling side. Let's wait for candle close. Once the candle close is highly confirmed, mostly I'm damn sure into the particular trend is going to be bullish, because whenever market take consolidation, it try to give a good rally and upside or downside. But today we are expecting upside because the yesterday consolidation showing the bullishness pending in still in market. That's why we're going to take at least 2 point chart. I'm going to take 2.5. This is going to work target. I'll take 2.5. So let me get this one. Let's wait for candle close. Can see, as I mentioned, we're expecting a bullish set as we're going to be bullish, and you can see however we are a profit level. This is what our target. Once we hit our target, I'm going to exit. As I mentioned, we're going to take at least 2.5. Once this candle close, I'm going to update my trailer up. Let's wait for this candle close. On the candle close, then confirm. Chalo, let's wait for candle close. Okay, right now I'm updating my trial asset result. You can see the single candidate given me our target. The so many people start book their profits. I knew buyers are come to market. That's why it created it welcome to new buyers to enter. This is how it mark. Don't panic. Don't exit. Wait for the highly confirm it's going to be bullish. If the our SL got trigger, this means that market went to opposite direction, is going to be bearish or consolidation. Let's wait for the candle close. Okay, as I mentioned, it started bullish, so I'm updating myself. Below this candle it is going to be bullish only. In case it our SL trigger, it's mean market started downside. I might be take from the rest time from this reversal hammer. That's why I'm updating myself. Trailer. So it's near to hit our target. That's why I'm again updating my trailer sell, because in case if later reversal, we're not gonna lose everything. So I'm updated. Let's wait for it. Okay, thank you. See, our desk got declared. And these are the order books, and these are the position. We're back to our pocket up, and these are the heads position by incident. Okay, after exiting trade, I enter one more trade in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is trying to fall from the starting of the market, except the Nifty and Sensex. So I'm planning to place a small trade on Bank Nifty. You can see the upside has created a resistance, and downside also we created one more resistance. It's showing the sellers are so strong. So this is going to be our target in downside, and upside we're going to take as the SR, and here this green support we're going to take as the target. Very clear, it's going to be fall, but it's not going to fall directly. It might be take consolation, then it's going to fall. That's why I'm sell, and I'll sell only 100 quantity. So this is going to be our SR. I'm placing a red one. Okay, you can see try to bullish, but highly confident it's going to base, but I don't want to leave profits. That's why I'm placing as reason in case any single card can make anything change in market. That's why I'm placing my SR. Let's go. Okay, it's going to be 702. So it was one of our SR. If market hit our SR, it highly confident it's going to consolidation between this range, our target and supporter. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, as I mentioned, market trying to consolidate and it creating a symmetric pattern. I hope you know symmetric pattern. Symmetric pattern is gonna create a ABCD inside a pattern, and it's gonna break upside and downside. It's going to be a long trade. That's why I'm updating my try result. You can see it try to break the upside. Once you put an upside, our result going to trigger. And if you want to break downside, it highly confirm we're gonna hit our targeting single candle. The symmetric pattern is work so efficient in a market. Let's wait for this candle close. Once the candle close upside and downside, we're gonna decide if we're gonna hold our trade. We're gonna exit our trade. I'm not gonna updating my SL. We are place a very small SL. So you can see the candle trying to break upside. Okay, a high chance is gonna break upside. That chance downside also. Still is not confirmed. So let's wait for it. Okay, you can see considering, let's wait for it.